control shack with a ledges clack.
So are you saying there is nothing in the engine? When you accelerate, you hear the noise.
Hi there, my name is Seth. This is Photoshop Ghana. I'm working on the 2016 Hyundai Elantra. We came in with an overheating issue. Actually, the customer mentioned that she has difficulty in starting the car, especially when the engine is very cool. You have to start the car a couple of times. But just a day before, we went to pick up the car and have it work done. While driving back home, she had a breakdown and overheating, or her engine overheated. So we had to tow the vehicle in. Now, when we towed the vehicle in, we've done our engine assessment and we found something interesting. So I'm going to show you. I have here a resistor that is for the radiator fan. Okay, so you can see the ground wire or the ground line got bent for whatever reason. I'm not sure if it's due to poor contact, but once that got bent, the radiator fan was no longer working. And we know the function or the purpose of the radiator fan. So the radiator fan is to cool the coolant in the radiator, right? So once the fan was not working, the coolant in the heat in the coolant had to find its way out, and that made the plastic side of the radiator to burst. Okay, the radiator burst, all the coolant, literally all the coolant came out, and like the engine completely overheated, right? So yes, we've been able to correct the bent wires, the loose contact between the cables, the fan cables, and then the fan itself. So now we corrected that. Now the fan is working all right. And then we filled some coolant in the radiator. Actually, we are using water now. We'll be using actual coolant later. But after filling the water, we started the vehicle and the engine overheated just around 72 degrees. Just about 72 degrees Celsius. The engine overheated again. And also we are noticing some engine knocking, okay? Some engine knocking in the engine. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to advise the customer first on a gasket replacement, and then we'll also look into what is causing the engine to knock. So it could be anything from a bearing to a worn out component, and then due to the overheating. And then we'll talk to the customer, advise the customer, and see how best we can deal with this.